Yes. I'd rather watch this dude go in there. That first one was really cool.
Where's he at? There he is. So if you go on the other end of the parking lot, you don't have these buildings in the way and you can see everything.
I want to
Watch him do his folds. Right into the smoke. Oh, he killed it.
I know what he's doing.
Somewhere?
Huh? I know what he's doing. He's about to do something cool. Just watch. He actually kills it, and then he goes straight up and down, and goes really high and starts doing it. And it looks like he's trying. And it looks like he's crashing.
There you go. I hear him.
See?
There he is. He's flying over the crowd over there.
Over the crowd, and then he's gonna come back over, straight up and down, really high, and then like.
You guys having a good time?
Yeah.
Pizza, air show, and pinball. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.